Hello YouTube, out on my bike. I think I finally got this action camera in the right position. It took me ages to sort it out. The bike's looking a bit mucky, but hey ho, that's price you pay, winter time, isn't it? Yeah. I'm just going to go for a tiny little ride because the weather's changed again. It's nearly minus again after a lovely spring day yesterday. It was lovely and mild, quite warm. Now I've gone back to the old winter again, so I'm just gonna for a little ride. They've done a nice job of this car park though, haven't they? I've always stuck my head on these car park railings. I know I'm not going to hit it, but just the way it is, isn't it? I think everybody does that. Yes, definitely gone cooler. My visor steamed up. Oh well. But gotta get out on your bike, you gotta get out. Makes you feel better. Can't beat a good ride out when you're feeling a bit bleh. Still quite early here actually, Sunday morning. Yeah, roads are very quiet. Can only be a good thing. Shut my visor. Oh, definitely still damp on the roads though. Not too bad though. Right, I'm trying to see if this action camera is actually set up properly now, because I've had nothing but trouble with this wolfang 420, I get it right. Not the camera, it's the way it's the way it's mounted. Very strange. It's got them little tripod things at the bottom. Unfortunately it's at the side. You don't get like a normal standard casing like you do on the GW100 camera. So hopefully it's set up right. That's what I am trying to do, is trying to get the road ahead and the clocks in the same time. It's been very difficult setting this one up. In fact, yesterday I went out for another little ride just to try to set the camera up. It was lovely mild. Yeah, still not right. Oh, very frustrating. Got to the point where I was going to go back to the GA100, but the 420 is a better camera. The sound quality is better. The picture, I would say, kind of a little bit better. Oh, look at that poor little creature. Oh, yeah, well, never mind. Right, try to keep my head in one place. Very difficult sometimes. Very windy again. Oh, yes, very chilly wind. Well on summer, hey. I don't care. Worth that sacrifice. Being a little bit chilly. Really got to find a better road, I think. Seems to come down here quite a lot. Well, not a better road, but you know what I mean. Always get the headwind down here. Right, let's move from the left hand side. From where I'm riding. I think I've pressed the record button. I hope I have. Here's me trying to do this video, and hopefully I'll press the record button. stadium there. I didn't reckon much to it last time I went there. Right, it wasn't very nice weather though. What a waste of an Audi. I like them Audi TTs as well. Oh hey ho. Yes, it's definitely changed again, the weather. Right, trying to keep my head steady so I can see this camera's alright. Bloody windy though. Look, this little girl, she's alright in the wind. That extra weight always helps. What are we doing? 65 cruising, no problem. Even with a terrible headwind, she's alright. Okay, thinking to myself, should I sell this bike and get a bigger bike again? But every time I get on it, I enjoy riding it. Like I say, it's cruising at 65 at just over 7,500 revs, nearly 8, so hey look, biker boy, scooter. I just, hey, don't want with scooters, I like scooters. That's the first bike I've seen today. Oh well, it's early, isn't it? So I think everybody will be still in bed. Oh, it's rose damp. I love this corner normally, but when it's damp you gotta be careful. Gotta be careful. I can remember coming down here on my old CBR 650. Well, I won't say old. There's a bomb around these corners. It's about 60 miles an hour. But that was in the summer. Oh, excuse me. Beautiful. The bike one's beautiful, you know. Never misses a beat. It's so reliable. Even after a good spanking. Well, I won't say spanking, I never flash my bike, but she just starts every time. I don't know if you listen to my, well sorry, watch my own videos from the past. My friend had a, well, I've still got it, a Ducati, and it broke down. I don't know if you watched that video, what I mentioned him in. Unfortunately it's still off the road, yeah. It's waiting for the part to come. The black boxes I used to call them, CID units, God knows what people call them nowadays. But it's costing him 700 quid. What a rip-off. But it'd be nice to him to get back on the road again, hopefully soon. Definitely damp roads. Definitely still damp. Now I'm hoping this video is going to turn out okay, because I really am fed up trying to set this camera up. And if this time this video is not very good, I'm going back to the Wolfang GA100. That was so simple. It had a proper casing, so not so bad, was it? Not so bad. I do love this Wolfang cameras though. Wind sorry, got the wind behind me now. Not so bad. You can tell the difference. Shall I overtake these cars? Nah, just chill out, mate. Chill out. It's a Sunday morning. That's what it's all about. enjoying the ride. Enjoying the ride. Yeah. I'm happy to report everything on the bike's perfect. What you could do now is a engine oil change, but I'm going to do that next month. I like to change my engine oil regularly. I like to change it every 1,000 miles. I know it's a bit extreme, overboard, but it's a little engine. It's a rev really high. You can imagine them little pistons go down. Poor little things. I feel sorry for them. I'm a weirdo, I know. I've got a bit sympathy for the little engine. Unfortunately, a lot of people just crash the hell out of these little bikes, don't they? At the end of the day, you've got to give a bit of sympathy. I think this road's still blocked, so oh, I'm so tempted to overtake all these cars. But they're fine. Give me a good test, won't you? Got to chill out. Big test. Chilling out. What time is it? 20 to, God, I didn't realise all that early. 20 to 10. Crazy. Crazy on my bike this time of morning. Yeah, stuck behind a lorry now. But hey ho. Yesterday I filled the bike up. I'm happy to report, what the mileage, yeah, I've got 82 miles per gallon on that last tank pump. It's not much less than a 125 really. 125 with a what, 100? 120, or depends what model you got. I'm not really losing hell a lot, really. At least you've got that bit of extra power as well, ain't you? Always handy when you need it. Not a lot of power, but it's always there if you need it. Oh dear. I think I got up too early today. Crazy. I was up early. Too bleeding early. Yeah, that road's still closed, so I'll have to go down the back lanes again, unfortunately. Bloody horrible roads, but hey ho. I can stay with these roads. Ridiculous. Pay all that tax, road tax. Shocking. Anyway, I'm not going to bitch today, just going to enjoy the ride. Definitely cold though. That was a nice little ride actually. Hopefully, fingers crossed, this camera's alright now, because it really is winding me up. Oh god. I know I used to come down here on my Kawasaki ZX9. Oh my god, you knew about it. Bloody bumps. Oh, love that bike. The suspension. Oh, rock hard. Love that bleeding bike I did. I kind of still miss that ZX9.